Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial, I'll be helping you learn how to change your Instagram account into business account. On Instagram, you can easily convert your personal profile to your business account. To access the feature, that can help you grow your business. Before moving on, if you are not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button. And press the bell icon, so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's proceed further. The first thing you'll need to make sure is to download Instagram application on your device. Once you have the app, tap it on Sign into your Instagram. If you're not from the home screen of Instagram, go to your profile by tapping on the profile button, at the bottom right corner from your profile. Tap on the hamburger menu at the top right hand corner. As soon as you do that, tap on the settings button at the bottom of the screen. Now under this menu, tap on account, scroll all the way down, and in order to switch to a business account, tap on switch to professional accounts. Go through the information, and tap on continue. Now on the next page, you'll need to select your category for your business. You can choose to display the category label on your profile as well. In order to do so, enable the button. If not, leave it as it is and tap on done. Choose whether you are business or a creator. Once you've made your choice, tap on next. You can review your contact information on the next page. If you want to correct your phone number or your email address, then now is the time. If you don't want to use your contact information, then tap on Don't Use My Contact, and fill in the bottom of the screen. If you do, simply tap on the next button. You can also connect your business profile on Instagram with your Facebook page. To do so, tap on Create a new Facebook page and follow the instructions. To create one with a business account, you'll be able to access insights that can help you understand how is engaging with your business on Instagram. You can also have an access to the professional dashboard, where you can track your performance and discover professional tools and explore. Perform all of the 4 steps mentioned in order to complete your business profile. And with just some few simple steps, you've trained your personal account to a business account. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.